Let's discuss three very important job interview questions with answers related to risk management and compliance and that are relevant for 2025. Hello and welcome to the new GRC video. And in this video, we will discuss three very important job interview questions related to risk management and compliance one by one. I will be mentioning the answers to each of the questions. You have to listen very carefully what I will provide you as a response. My responses will be like a roadmap for you for your job interview preparation. I would like you to note down each of the answers and responses I will tell you in your notebook. This is very important. Please take out your notebook and your pen and write what I am telling you. This will help you memorize each of the responses because you will write by your hands. So let's start. The question number one. What is compliance and who is responsible for compliance in a large size institution? If you focus on this question, there are three different parts. Number one is what is compliance, responsibility of compliance, especially in the large size institutions. So the interviewer narrowed the question to the large size institutions. So first of all, your response should be compliance means following applicable laws, regulations, standards, and guidelines that are issued by the regulatory authorities and applicable on the institution. And regarding the responsibility of compliance, you have to say that everyone working in the organization or institution is responsible for compliance with relevant policies, procedures, guidelines, circulars, and standards that are issued. And for the large size institution, your answer will be the same because compliance, whether the large size institution is concerned or whether the small or medium size institutions are concerned, the compliance is the responsibility for everyone working in the organization. So let's move on to question number two. What is the difference between risk management and compliance? So you have to divide the answer in two different manner. You can say number one, risk management. Risk management is a continuous process of identification of risks, assessment of risk, analysis of risk, mitigation of risks, and monitoring of the controls that are implemented to mitigate the risks. And when we talk about the compliance, we have earlier discussed compliance means following the applicable laws, regulations, standards, and guidelines issued by the regulatory authorities. So, the risk management and compliance are two different domains you have to remember. Please write it down. The question number three is what are the examples of compliance risks in an institution? Please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet. I am posting the relevant videos, interview questions and answers, and the conceptual videos related to governance, risk management, and compliance (GRC) on this channel. So I hope this channel will help you in clarifying various concepts. So let's move on to question number three, response. So the response to the examples of compliance risks include number one, if the institution is a financial services institution, like for example any payment gateway or money service business, so the compliance risks include non-compliance with anti-money laundering laws, non-compliance with know your customer laws and regulations, non-compliance with environmental, social and governance related laws and regulations, or you can also highlight compliance risks related to non-compliance with internal AML compliance, CDD and KYC policies. So these are few of the examples of compliance risk. I hope you have written all the responses that I have mentioned you. Please, if you have not written, go back to this video again and write it down, because if you write by your hands, you will memorize and your speaking with regard to relevant response will improve. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and watch other videos. Share the video with your friends and like the video as well. Thank you for your support, and let's see you in another related video.